Hey guys, today I got a request. Well, I don't think it was today, but a while ago I got a request to hold back a sneeze attack, I guess, for like 5 minutes or something. So I have to like record for at least 5 minutes. I guess if I sneeze before that, maybe I don't, but we can see how long I cannot sneeze. Right now, I'm sort of triggering my dust allergy. Like, there's dust on my table that I didn't clean for 2 days because dust builds up in my apartment really easily, so I gotta be super careful to not let dust build up. But yeah, this is hard. Sorry, I don't know, dust really makes me sneeze, so I gotta try to not sneeze. I don't think I even made it like 2 minutes. Oh my god. Okay, I won't sneeze. Oh my god. Okay, I won't sneeze. I'm really trying. It might sound like I'm not, but I'm really trying. Okay, I won't sneeze. I won't sneeze. I won't sneeze. Oh my god. Okay, maybe I'll just stop playing with this dust and give myself like a bit of a chance. Oh my god, I'm so stuffed up already from this. Okay, so I've like moved away, but I still feel like I have to sneeze. Don't sneeze. Okay, I can hold a little. Okay, never mind. I was gonna say I can hold them a little bit easier. I still have to sneeze. I'm not even playing with it anymore. Okay, I'm not gonna sneeze. Oh my god. I won't sneeze. It's getting really hard. I don't think I can like even hold them back anymore. Like, I'm trying and it just comes out anyway. Like, oh my god, I held it back. But it's just coming back. I really have to sneeze. Don't sneeze. Oh, don't sneeze. I give up.